next our discussion is about material part, right? So materials. Alright, so in this material part, so first we take concrete. First we take a concrete. Alright, so concrete, it is classified into two types, right? It is classified into two types. It is classified into two types. Normally concrete, it is the ingredients of binding material, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, right? So that is concrete added with the reinforcement means it is the reinforced concrete, right? So concrete, it is classified into two types. So number one is plain concrete, and number two is reinforced concrete. Number one is plain concrete and number two is reinforced concrete, right? So plain concrete, it is the ingredients of binding material. It is the ingredient of binding material plus fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate. Alright, so added with the water, it becomes so plain concrete. It is the plain concrete. Alright, so it is the mixture of plain concrete. It is the ingredients of so binding material. The example of binding material is so cement. Cement is a binding material, and so lime also a binding material, right? So before development, the manufacturing process of a cement, so the first one is lime, right? Right, so lime manufacturing process of cement, manam so find out cheyakamundu manam binding materials lime use chesavallu, right? Binding material fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate added with water, it is called as the plain concrete. It is called plain concrete. Right, and reinforced concrete. What is the reinforced concrete? It is the ingredients of so plain concrete. Alright, so plain concrete plus plain concrete, it is added with reinforcement. Alright, so added with the reinforcement, it is called as so manaki reinforced concrete antam. Plain concrete is added with the reinforcement, it is called as a reinforced concrete. So, right, so what is the reinforced concrete? Right, plain concrete is manaku binding materials plus fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate, so plus reinforcement plus water, it becomes a reinforced concrete, right? So it becomes a reinforced concrete. Alright, so it becomes reinforced concrete. Plain concrete, it is the ingredients of binding material, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water. Binding material, ఇప్పుడు nowadays మనం యూజ్ చేసేది ఏంటి? సిమెంట్, రైట్? సో సిమెంట్ ప్లస్ ఫైన్ అగ్రిగేట్, కోర్స్ అగ్రిగేట్ అండ్ వాటర్, ఇట్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ప్లేన్ కాంక్రీట్. అండ్ రీఇన్ఫోర్స్డ్ కాంక్రీట్ అంటే సో ప్లేన్ కాంక్రీట్ ప్లస్ రీఇన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్, దాన్ని మనం రీఇన్ఫోర్స్డ్ కాంక్రీట్ అంటాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఆఫ్ సో బైండింగ్ మెటీరియల్, దట్ ఈస్ సిమెంట్, ఫైన్ అగ్రిగేట్, కోర్స్ అగ్రిగేట్, రీఇన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ వాటర్, ఇట్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ రీఇన్ఫోర్స్డ్ కాంక్రీట్. Right, so in this concrete, so first one is cement, right? Binding material. First one is cement. Right, now our discussion is about cement. Alright, so cement is the binding material. Alright, so binding material, it having the properties of both cohesion and adhesion antunnam manam, right? Cement. Alright, so cement manam em antunnam, it is the binding material. It is the binding material. Alright, so it is the binding material. It having the properties of both cohesion and adhesion, both cohesion and adhesion. Alright, so cement, it is the binding material, it having the properties of both cohesion and adhesion, right? So cement, it is the binding material, it having the properties of both cohesion and so adhesion, right? So it is called as the cement. Right, so cement is the binding material which consists of cement is the binding material, it having the properties of both cohesion and adhesion. It consists of right, so it consists of calcareous and argillaceous material. Alright, so argillaceous material antunnam manam, it having the properties of both cohesion and adhesion antunnam, it consists of calcareous and argillaceous material antunnam, right? So what is the calcareous material? Cement binding material antunnam, binding ante gట్టిగా పట్టుకోవడం కదా, binding material. So it having the properties of both cohesion and adhesion అంటున్నాం. cohesion అంటే ఏంది, adhesion అంటే ఏంది? మనం మొన్న బాండ్ లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. అడిషన్ అంటే ఏంది, ద అట్రాక్షన్ బిట్వీన్ టూ డిఫరెంట్ మెటీరియల్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ మనం అడిషన్ అంటున్నాం. అండ్ కోహిజన్, ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ కోహిజన్ ఈజ్ ద అట్రాక్షన్ బిట్వీన్ టూ సేమ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ కోహిజన్, రైట్? అండ్ దిస్ సో క్యాల్కేరియస్ అండ్ అర్జిలేసియస్ మెటీరియల్ అంటున్నాం మనం. వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై క్యాల్కేరియస్ మెటీరియల్? Alright, so calcareous materials, and second one is argillaceous materials. Calcareous and argillaceous materials అంటున్నాం, right? So calcareous materials అంటే ఏంది మనకి, lime related materials. Right, so calcareous materials అంటున్నాం అంటే lime related materials. Calcareous materials means lime related materials అంటున్నాం. And argillaceous material means so clay or chalk, so shale అంటున్నాం. Right, so chalk or shale related materials అంటున్నాం. Related materials. Alright, so calcareous materials అంటున్నాం. Calcareous means lime related materials. Argillaceous అంటే chalk or shale related material. Alright, chalk మనకు తెలుసు and shale related material, and so calcareous అంటే lime related materials. Right, so this is the calcareous and lime related material, right? So calcareous material and argillaceous అంటే clay or so shale related materials ని మనం, right? So calcareous material, lime related materials ని మనం calcareous materials అంటాం, and argillaceous material అంటే clay or so shale related materials ని మనం argillaceous material అంటాం, right? సిమెంట్ అనేది బైండింగ్ మెటీరియల్, దాంట్లో calcareous and argillaceous రెండు మెటీరియల్స్ ఉంటాయని చెప్తున్నాం.